Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Khlad ke sangma hanek sngewlem leit ban khublai buram khaddo ya usambut Myntri Rangbah barim ke jylla uba Stanlington David Kongwir haking sa jungu Mawlai nonglum marpersya kamadan waking uba SD Kongwir ula Khlad no hanek step Hanigrims Hospital hakarta kaba khandai snem hadin ba ke jingpang kabalaban ya u lakham sngewlem haba penpawi ke jing sausi halor ke jing Khlad uba SD Kongwir Myntri Rangbah ula penpaw ba ke jylla kala itu ya uba SD Kongwir kum wain kriu Rangbah uba lano shibun kesenyang ya ke constituency badia ke jylla bero kawai ula berabru da kabong ba ujutip ya uba SD Kongwir kum ubri uba kipaj ba ki berburam pha kani kala pau na ke jingyo ya ke jingkersan wat hadin ba umlong su MLA wat la kata ke jingkersan ke jingi nya kipaj ba kala phalang sai ba udai unong ilam uba kumno.
We are deeply saddened by the demise of late SD Kongwir, and we all know him as a very senior and a person who has contributed immensely to his constituency, to the state as a whole. And he has been known as a person who has been really loved by the masses. And it was reflected in the kind of support he continued even after he was not an MLA. Even then, the support that he saw, the love he saw from the people, just simply reflected the kind of leader he was, the kind of love that people had for him. So definitely we will all miss him. I also have had the opportunity to interact and meet and work with him in the past. Even as a Rangbah we had, when he was the Rangbah we had multiple meetings. So I really had a lot of chance to learn from him and to interact with him and discuss so many things. And I remember meeting him last just before the elections, and it was a great opportunity. I'm happy I got that opportunity to meet him. So at this point I do express my deepest condolences to the bereaved family, and I pray to Almighty that his soul may rest in peace and give strength to the family so that they can bear this loss that they have.